Welcome to Cre-Art Level Up tutorial 1. Tutorial for 1 is about how to create the character design and landscape in Adobe Illustrator. Before you create the character design, you may prepare the color palette and the shape. Prepare a square, circle and the oval. So I've created the previous character design. This is an example of the character design, and then I will start to create the head. First, you have to copy and paste the oval shape, and then use the eyedropper, choose the skin color, and then I want to create the hair. I zoom in a bit and copy and paste the circle, adjust the alignment. Make sure the alignment is the center, and then I adjust the size a bit. I right click, arrange and send to back. So for now, I want to create the front hair of the design. Same thing, I use a circle, copy and paste, and then adjust the size for the circle. Then copy and paste. Zoom in a bit. Adjust size of the circle. And then choose all the front circle using a pathfinder to unite together. For now, I choose the behind circle and front shape. By using the eyedropper, choose the black color. I complete the hair design, so I want to create the ear, nose, the mouth, the eyes and the eyebrow. So I will create the eye first. I use the circle, copy and paste. Make it smaller the size of the eye. And then I use the eyedropper. So I copy and paste the shape of the circle. I adjust the alignment with the circle, and then I right click, group together, and then adjust to the center. So I will create the eyebrow. I using the oval size, copy and paste, and rotate it be a straight line, and then I adjust the size of the eyebrow. I zoom in, adjust the size a bit, and then I copy and paste using the shift and alternate key. I select these two shapes. I using eyedropper, choose the black color. So I want to create the nose. I using oval, copy and paste, and then choose the dark skin color, adjust the size, and then put on the center. I right click to arrange, bring to front, and then adjust the size again, make it smaller. So I will create the ear for the design. I using the circle, I copy and paste. I use the eyedropper, choose the skin color, and then I copy and paste, put on the center, and then I hold the shift and alternate key to adjust the size. So I will use the eyedropper to choose the dark skin color, and then I select all. I right click, group together, and then I put the side of the face, I right click, arrange, send to back. And then I hold the shift and alternate key to adjust the size. So the last part for the face is a mouth. I use the circle, I copy and paste, and then paste again. I put around 35 angle. So one more is the square, I copy and paste, and then use the rotate key, adjust the angle. I select all. Using the pathfinder, I divide it. I right click to ungroup. I delete the extra part. And then I use the eyedropper, select the red color. For the tongue, I will select the dark red color and then group together. Hold the shift to adjust the size of the mouth. Make sure it's on the center. So the face is done. And then I group together. So I create the neck. I copy and paste the oval shape. Use the eyedropper, choose the dark skin color. I adjust to center, right click, arrange, send to back. Adjust the size of the neck. Now I will create the body. I copy and paste the oval shape, put on the center, and then adjust bigger a bit. I right click, I arrange, send to back. And then I use the eyedropper to click the color whatever you want. So next part is I create the pants. Copy and paste the square shape, put bottom of the body. And then I select all the shape. Using pathfinder, I divide it. And then I arrange the body and the pants, send to back. So I will create the leg and the shoe. I use the square, I copy and paste. And then make it be a rectangle size. So next part is the shoe. Copy and paste the circle, and then I select the circle. Use the scissor tool. Scissor tool, the shortcut key is C. I click the point of the angle, and then use the selection tool, delete it, the extra part. So I use the pen tool to replace the line for the shoe. I adjust the size of the shoe, and the pants, I will use the eyedropper, choose another the color. So I select the leg with the shoe, I group it together. and then I right click, transform and reflect to vertical. Click preview and copy. I group the legs together and then adjust to the center. So the last part for the character design is a hand. Copy and paste the oval shape. Adjust size. Choose another color using an eyedropper. I'm using the dark blue. So I will create the hand part. Copy and paste oval shape and then adjust size of the hand. I use the eyedropper to choose the skin color and then copy paste again to make the finger. Use the eyedropper, use the dark skin color and then adjust the size. Use the rotate key and then adjust the hand. Right click, group it together and then I select all the hand part. I transform, reflect and copy. Right click to arrange and send to back. And then I use the rotate key. Click here to adjust the hand. This one same thing. Use the rotate key to adjust the action. And then adjust the part of the hand. So this is the final outcome for the character design. This character design is very good for do the animation design. So the character design part tutorial is done. Next part is how to do the landscape drawing in Illustrator. This is the basic landscape drawing I done. So before you create the landscape drawing, you also can prepare the gradient color. So I will let you know how to do the gradient color. Use the rectangle tool, draw one rectangle. In the gradient tool here, you can choose the basic gradient and then click the gradient slider to choose the color. This is the final outcome for the gradient color. So I will start to do the landscape drawing. I use the pen tool to draw the hill. And then when you click the gradient, you can adjust the gradient. Example, the color position 90 degree or negative 90 degree. Then use the pen tool again to draw the hill behind. Right click arrange, send to back. Then the third layer, use the pen tool, draw again. So right click, arrange, send to back. So the first tutorial is learn how to do the basic character design and the landscape drawing. Thank you for watching this section.